Listening to a tree seems like an odd thing to do, but this tree isn't silent. Even through a stethoscope like this, I can hear creaking and groaning as the branches move in the wind. And there are other sounds in there that I can't quite hear with this, crackling, popping sounds. It happens because the tree is drawing water up from its roots to its leaves, and on a hot sunny day like this, as that water travels through the tiny tubes around the outside of the tree, bubbles form, and those are what are making the crackling noise. So, although you wouldn't know it by looking at it, that crackling noise could tell you that this tree is thirsty. Before we can unlock all the secrets of sound, we need to understand it at a fundamental level. So in this programme, I'm going to explore what sound is and how it's made. First, it would help if I could turn a sound into something we can actually see. This is a very special space. It's called a hemi-anechoic chamber. And what that means is that all the walls and the ceiling have these funny shapes on them that are absorbing sound, so it's really quiet in here. It's the perfect environment to isolate a pure sound and observe its effects. All I need is this small army of candles and a speaker. To make this work, I need the sound to be really loud, so I'm going to wear ear defenders. Really deep sound. You can see the speaker going in and out. And what you can see is that the candles are vibrating. There's very, very fast vibration. The individual candle flames are showing the movement in the air caused by the speaker. What's happening is that the speaker here is producing enormous amounts of sound by pushing on the air. And that pushes on the air next to it, which pushes on the air next to it, and it travels out across the candles. The candle flames are flickering back and forth 20 times per second, or at 20 hertz. And this is the frequency of the sound we're hearing. I'm going to turn it up. If I increase the frequency, the candle flames flicker even faster. And what you can see is that the candles are all flickering, but they're all flickering together. This is synchronized movement. They're all moving forwards and backwards together. So what we're seeing is the sound. The movement of the speaker causes the air molecules to oscillate back and forth at a specific frequency. These oscillations travel through the air as sound waves, and they're picked up by our ears. A loudspeaker is actually a very unusual way of making sound because it's artificially manufactured to generate any sound you like. Most sound is much more interesting. That's because, unlike the loudspeaker, most objects create a specific sound that's unique to them. And this is ultimately at the heart of why sound is such a rich source of information about the world.